Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to ask the seller a question in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. For now, I'm simply gonna select a product at random. And as you can see, I have selected this product right here. And right now, I want to ask the seller a question regarding this product. Right here on the rightmost section, under something like in stock, you'll see something like ships from and sold by. Right now, we only want to focus on the sold by section. Here's the seller. I'm gonna click on this right here. Then you will be redirected to a new page. Well, right here, as you can see, there's a button like this that says ask a question. Simply click on it. And from here, simply enable the conversation. What can I help you with? An item for sale? Once you click on it, this will open up, and right now, we only want to talk about this specific item, so simply select it, and from here, select the option that you want help with. That's how you ask a seller a question in Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.